What's the meaning of creation science? Creation science. Creation science.
Creation science. Creation science. Creation science is a field of study that attempts to provide scientific evidence in support of the biblical account of creation. Its proponents argue that the universe, earth, and all living things were created by a divine being and reject the theory of evolution. The results of creation science are highly controversial and widely rejected by the scientific community. Critics argue that it lacks empirical evidence and adheres to religious doctrine rather than scientific inquiry. Consequently, it is not considered a legitimate scientific discipline.